Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving east on Winward Road in East Kingston, Kingston 16 area, Jamaica. Turning off Winward Road onto Wild Street, also into Brownstown, Passmore Town and towards Dunkirk. On the left is Elleston Road Basic School. If we had continued straight on Winward Road, then the road would take us to Rockfort, Harbour View and other places. On the left is Pine Street, where you can find the Manley market. On the right is Pentecostal Assembly Church of God in Christ Jesus, Apostolic of Jamaica. Also on the right is Maiden Street. To the left is Telephone Street. On the right is First Holiness Church of the Apostolic Faith. Also on the right is Little Telephone Street. We are now at William Street intersection. Going right will take you into Mcintyre Villa, also known as Dunkirk, as well as to the United African Skills Training Center, ART. Going left will take you onto Maiden Street, Upper Elleston Road to Kingston College, Melbourne Park campus. The road here on the right will also take you into Mcintyre Villa, also known as Dunkirk. On the left is Banana Street. Wild Street ends about here, and we are now driving on Albert Street. Entering Franklyn Town and also entering St. Andrew Parish. On the right is Glenmuir Early Childhood Center, same as Glenmuir Early Childhood Institution. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.